Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a solution for fixing Tachiyomi's failure to bypass Cloudflare. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Stick around until the end for all the details. To resolve the issue of Tachiyomi failing to bypass Cloudflare, we'll start by clearing the app cache. Over time, the cache can accumulate, potentially causing bypass failures. Let's begin by accessing the device settings. Scroll down until you find the apps section and locate Tachiyomi. If the app is still running in the background, stop it to ensure a clean cache reset. Then navigate to the app storage settings. Here, you'll find options to clear both data and cache. Click on Clear Data to delete the cache along with any stored data. Confirm the action, and the cache will be cleared. After clearing the cache, restart your device. Once it's back up, try using Tachiyomi again. This simple process should resolve the issue of Tachiyomi failing to bypass Cloudflare. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.